In this session, we are going to discuss about half-range Fourier series. Why we are calling half-range? Why we are calling half-range means, up to now we determined Fourier series to the functions defined in the interval 0, 2 pi as well as minus pi, pi. The range, that means the length of these intervals are 2 pi. Once observe 2 pi minus 0, length 2 pi, and here pi minus of minus pi, that is 2 pi. The length of these two intervals are 2 pi. Length means the range of the intervals are 2 pi. Up to now in these intervals we determined Fourier series. If you want to determine Fourier series in the interval 0, 2 pi, you need to calculate a0, an and bn, the three Fourier coefficients. Now if you want to determine Fourier series in the interval minus pi, pi, as the interval is minus pi, pi, we may check whether the function is even or odd. If the function is even, we will get a0 and an Fourier coefficients only. The Fourier series contains only cosine terms, that is a0 and an Fourier coefficients. If we observe the given function is odd, we will get only sine terms, that is only bn term. Sometimes we can't say whether the given function is even or odd. It may be defined in the interval minus pi, pi, but we can't say whether it is even or odd. In that situation, blindly determine a0, an and bn Fourier coefficients. Sometimes we will get problems to find Fourier series of the functions in the interval 0, pi. The length of this interval is, the range of the interval is pi. Clearly half of the range of the intervals 0, 2 pi and minus pi, pi. That's why we are calling it as half-range Fourier series. Here we have two types, half-range Fourier cosine series and half-range Fourier sine series. So now half-range Fourier cosine series. Half-range Fourier cosine series for the function f of x defined in the interval 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to pi. The length, the range of the interval is pi, that is half of the previous intervals 0, 2 pi and minus pi, pi. That's why we are calling it as half-range Fourier series. In particular, how to determine half-range Fourier cosine series for the function f of x defined in the interval, that is given by f of x equal to a0 by 2 plus sigma n equal to 1 to infinity an cos nx. This is half-range Fourier cosine series for f of x defined in the interval 0, pi, where a0 equal to 2 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x dx, an equal to 2 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x cos nx dx. This is half-range Fourier cosine series. Now half-range Fourier sine series. Half-range Fourier sine series for the function f of x defined in the interval 0, pi is given by f of x equal to sigma n equal to 1 to infinity bn sin nx. Formula to find the Fourier coefficient bn given by, where bn equal to 2 by pi, here the interval is 0 to pi, so 0 to pi f of x sin nx dx. half range Fourier cosine series coincides with the Fourier series of even function. It contains only a naught and a n terms. Half range Fourier sine series coincides with the Fourier series of an odd function.